See, I mean, the point is, as we see, we have still not uh, we have not claimed anything which is very out of context, and our approach has been absolutely nuanced, and we are very clear that see, startup journeys are difficult. You need to be resilient, and probably God has been kind. We definitely count ourselves among the most fortunate of starters. I mean, let me be very candid because in India, if you look anywhere, things are all majorly service oriented, where you do a small uh, trailer and then you build up. R&D based startups need investment upfront, and their journey is very tough. So with that concept, if you see, we are very clear that any development has to happen with the vehicle manufacturer along with you. Since we had the legs, we have gone ahead and proved a POC. But now going forward after the POC, the motors that we are now making for it to be tried on a platform is in consultation with the OEM. So that, or a vehicle startup who knows what it takes to run a vehicle. So that's why we are still not saying that, yes, we have said that this is available and we are reaching out for homologation and proving. So we have gone step by step. And as Lakra sir highlighted on the bit of the regenerative braking, whilst as a concept, it's an IP that I have, but I know there is time for it. So we have taken care of not claiming a lot, but taking it step by step. So that is what has helped us so far, because now I have a product on board and we know there is applicability. So we are letting in percolate down to the users to take it to the next level. So that's how we have ensured that the validation bit and acceptability goes hand in hand. And it is not something which is very offset, wherein you claim something and you finally deliver something entirely different.